Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to turn off driving mode in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off driving mode in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here at the bottom of the list, just below your data in maps. Tap on settings and you'll land on this interface where you'll be required to scroll down to the bottom, and you can see the navigation settings option available for us over here guys. Just above manage your preferences, tap on navigation settings, and over here guys we'll be required to scroll down a little bit, and on this interface guys you can see there is the Google Assistant setting. There it says the manage driving mode. Tap on Google Assistant settings where it says the manage driving mode over here, and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to turn off your driving mode in Google Maps, you can see the driving mode option available for us over here. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the driving mode, and then the driving mode on your Google Maps will be turned off. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn off driving mode on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.